Embark on an extraordinary journey across the globe as we unveil 15 scientifically impossible places that defy the very laws of nature and stand as stunning anomalies on Earth's canvas. Imagine wandering through landscapes where the ordinary rules of science bend and twist, creating spectacles that challenge our understanding and ignite our imagination. What makes this odyssey truly mesmerizing? It's the allure of exploring the inexplicable. But what elevates these places beyond mere geographic coordinates? Prepare to be captivated as we venture through mesmerizing destinations that stand as testaments to Earth's enduring mystery and grandeur. 15. Tianmen Mountain, China. In the majestic Tianmen Mountain, located within the Tianmen Mountain National Park, in the northern Hunan province of China, lies one of the world's most breathtaking natural wonders, famously known as the Door to Heaven, or Heaven's Gate. This remarkable site is characterized by a massive cave-like opening, a colossal natural arch that towers over its surroundings, presenting an awe-inspiring spectacle that draws visitors from all corners of the globe. The Door to Heaven is a natural arch or karst cave formed through centuries of water erosion, weathering, and physical changes. Standing at a height of 1,519 meters and reaching a width of about 57 meters, the arch's scale is monumental, creating a gateway between the lush mountainsides. The archway was naturally carved out of the mountain through the persistent force of the elements, telling a story of resilience and the enduring power of nature. Ascending to the Door to Heaven is a journey of its own, known for the 999 steps that lead up to the arch, famously dubbed as the Stairway to Heaven. These steps provide a path for pilgrims and adventurers alike, offering a physical and metaphorical ascent into the clouds. The number 999 is symbolically significant in Chinese culture, representing eternal longevity and the idea of immortality. Upon reaching the Door to Heaven, visitors are rewarded with panoramic views that are simply unmatched. The landscape unfolds in layers of mountainous terrain, lush greenery, and drifting clouds that weave through the peaks, creating a dynamic and ever-changing vista. The views from this vantage point are not just visually stunning, they evoke a profound sense of wonder and deep connection with the natural world. The Door to Heaven is not only a natural spectacle, but also a place of deep cultural and spiritual significance. It is a symbol of harmony between humanity and nature, and has been a source of inspiration for poets, artists, and spiritual seekers throughout history. The site resonates with a sense of the divine, offering a space for contemplation, renewal, and a deeper understanding of the universe's grandeur. 14. Moeraki Boulders, New Zealand. On the picturesque Kokohe beach of New Zealand's Otago coast, the Moeraki boulders present an extraordinary geological spectacle. These mysteriously spherical stones, seemingly placed on the sands by giant hands, are a natural phenomenon surrounded by Maori legend and scientific intrigue. The Moeraki boulders are concretions, formed over millions of years. The process began during the Paleocene epoch, making them over 60 million years old. They originated from the mudstone seabed sediment and were created by the gradual precipitation of minerals around a central core. Over time, erosion exposed these buried boulders, and their spherical shapes were further smoothed by the relentless ocean waves. These boulders are not only notable for their almost perfectly round shape, but also for their size. They can measure up to 2 meters in diameter and weigh several tons. The surface of each boulder is crisscrossed with a network of cracks known as septaria, which are filled with minerals such as calcite and quartz, giving each boulder its unique pattern. 13. Eternal Flame Falls, New York, USA. Tucked away in the serene setting of Shale Creek in Chestnut Ridge Park of New York, the Eternal Flame Falls offers a spectacle where elements of nature converge in a truly unique way. A small waterfall cascades over shale rock, hiding within its embrace a flickering natural gas flame. This rare phenomenon, where fire and water coexist, beckons visitors to witness a natural wonder that defies the ordinary. The Eternal Flame Falls is named for its most unique feature, a natural gas seep that fuels a flame within a small grotto at the waterfall's base. The flame is visible nearly year-round, though it can be extinguished and must occasionally be relit. The gas seep is believed to result from ancient, deep underground rock formations that release small quantities of natural gas, which finds its way to the surface through cracks and fissures in the shale. This phenomenon is not just a visual wonder, but also of significant scientific interest. The site is one of the few places in the world where natural gas is produced in this particular geological setting. Researchers study the Eternal Flame Falls to better understand natural gas seeps, their ecological impact, and their connection to the underlying geology. Photographers and nature enthusiasts are drawn to the Eternal Flame Falls for its unique beauty. 12. Gates of Hell, Uzbekistan. In the heart of the Karakum Desert in Uzbekistan lies a fiery spectacle known as the Gates of Hell, or the Darvaza gas crater. This burning natural gas field is not just a stunning visual phenomenon, but also a symbol of human interaction with natural resources, leaving a lasting impact on the landscape. The Gates of Hell were created accidentally in 1971 during a Soviet drilling operation. The ground beneath the drilling rig collapsed, forming a large hole with a diameter of about 70 meters and a depth of around 20 meters. Fearing the release of poisonous gases from the natural gas field, the scientists decided to burn it off. They hoped the fire would consume the gas in a few days, but the crater has been burning continuously ever since. The sight of the Darvaza gas crater is both mesmerizing and daunting. The flames inside the crater create a glow that illuminates the night sky, turning the area into a dramatic scene. The intense heat can be felt from a distance, and the sheer size of the crater makes it a sight to behold. The Gates of Hell is a unique site for scientific research and environmental studies. It offers insights into the behavior of natural gas fields and the impact of human intervention on geological formations. While it's a popular tourist attraction, the site also serves as a reminder of the need for responsible energy practices and the potential consequences of industrial accidents. 11. Champagne Pole, New Zealand. Tucked away in the geothermal wonderland of Waiotapu, in New Zealand's North Island, the Champagne Pool is a remarkable natural hot spring known for its vibrant colors and otherworldly appearance. This unique geothermal feature, named for its effervescent and bubbling nature, much like a glass of champagne, is not only a spectacle for the eyes, but also a geological marvel, offering a rare glimpse into the Earth's subterranean forces. The Champagne Pool was formed around 900 years ago by a hydrothermal eruption. Its stunning array of colors, including vivid oranges, bright greens, and deep blues, is the result of mineral deposits and silicate formations at the water's edge. The pool maintains a consistent temperature of about 73 degrees, 163 degrees, and has a depth of around 65 meters at 213 feet. The richly colored water is due to a cocktail of minerals and compounds, including gold, silver, mercury, sulfur, and arsenic. The vibrant orange hue at the pool's edge is created by deposits of antimony and arsenic sulfide minerals, while the water itself reflects a brilliant blue, influenced by its high silica content. 10. The Giant Crystal Cave, Mexico. Adjacent to the Cave of the Crystals, within the same Naica mine in Mexico, lies another breathtaking subterranean marvel known as the Giant Crystal Cave. This cavern, although distinct, shares many characteristics with its nearby counterpart, including the massive gypsum crystals that have captivated the world with their sheer size and beauty. The Giant Crystal Cave was discovered in 1910, much earlier than the Cave of the Crystals. It houses some of the largest natural crystals ever found, with the largest being over 11 meters in length and 1 meter in diameter. These crystals formed in much the same way as those in the Cave of the Crystals, from mineral-rich water heated by magma chambers below the cave. The stable conditions over hundreds of thousands of years allowed these crystals to grow to their monumental sizes. Like the Cave of the Crystals, the Giant Crystal Cave presents extreme environmental conditions. The high temperatures and near-saturation humidity levels make it a challenging environment for human exploration. 9. Eye of the Sahara, Mauritania. In the vast desert expanses of Mauritania, West Africa, lies an extraordinary and enigmatic geological formation known as the Richat structure, or more popularly, the Eye of the Sahara. This striking circular feature visible from space resembles a giant bullseye on the Earth's surface and has fascinated scientists and observers for decades. The Eye of the Sahara is a deeply eroded, slightly elliptical dome with a diameter of approximately 40 kilometers or 25 miles. Initially, it was thought to be the impact site of a meteorite. However, studies have dispelled this theory, suggesting instead that it is a geological dome that has undergone differential erosion. The layers of rock, each of different resistance to weathering, have been gradually stripped away to reveal the onion-like rings we see today. One of the most intriguing aspects of the Eye of the Sahara is its visibility from space. Before the age of satellites, this structure was unknown to outsiders. Astronauts first noticed it from space due to its almost perfect circular shape, sparking curiosity and leading to further investigation. The Eye of the Sahara is an important site for geologists, offering insights into the processes of geological dome formation and erosion. 8. Hanging Pillar, India. Located in the ancient Lepakshi Temple in Andhra Pradesh, India, the Hanging Pillar stands as a marvel of architectural ingenuity and mystery. This architectural wonder has intrigued historians, architects, and tourists for centuries, as it seemingly defies gravity, with a significant portion of it not touching the ground. The Lepakshi Temple, dedicated to Lord Virabhadra, a fearsome form of the Hindu god Shiva, is renowned for its intricate carvings and stunning mural paintings. However, the Hanging Pillar is arguably the temple's most astonishing feature. Out of the 70 pillars in the temple, one doesn't rest on the ground fully, leaving a noticeable gap beneath it. 7. Split Apple Rock, New Zealand. In the tranquil waters of Tasman Bay, near the coast of South Island, New Zealand, lies a curiously shaped geological formation known as Split Apple Rock. This iconic rock, resembling a giant apple cleaved perfectly in half, has become a beloved landmark and a symbol of the natural beauty and mystery of the Abel Tasman National Park. Split Apple Rock is a geological formation made of granite. It is believed that the rock was shaped into its distinctive form through a process called ice wedging or frost cracking. Water from the ocean would seep into the cracks of the rock, and as temperatures dropped, the water would freeze and expand, gradually splitting the rock over millions of years. 6. Petrifying, Well, England. In the charming town of Knaresborough in North Yorkshire, England, lies one of the country's most unusual and intriguing natural phenomena, the petrifying well. This well, also known as Mother Shipton's Well, has the uncanny ability to turn objects into stone, a process that has fascinated and mystified visitors for centuries. The petrifying well is fed by a spring rich in minerals, particularly calcium carbonate. When objects are placed in the water of the well, they become encrusted with these minerals over time, creating a stone-like outer layer. This process, known as petrification, occurs due to the evaporation of water, leaving the minerals behind to harden around the object. Common items used to demonstrate this process include teddy bears, hats, and various other everyday objects, which eventually turn to stone. 5. Underwater Forest, Washington, USA. Beneath the tranquil surface of Lake Washington, in the state of Washington, USA, lies an ancient and hidden world, an underwater forest that offers a rare and mystical glimpse into the region's prehistoric past. This submerged forest, with its well-preserved trees dating back over 1,000 years, is a silent witness to the changing landscapes and climates over the centuries. The underwater forest was discovered by divers who were amazed to find a labyrinth of standing tree trunks beneath the lake's surface. The forest is believed to have been submerged following a significant geological event, such as a landslide or an earthquake, that caused the land to sink and the lake to rise, preserving the trees in their watery grave. 4. Rainbow Mountains, China. In the Jiangye landform, geological park in Gansu Province, China, the Rainbow Mountains stand as a breathtaking testament to the beauty and artistry of natural geological processes. These mountains are renowned for their vivid, multicolored layers, creating a visual spectacle that seems almost otherworldly. The Rainbow Mountains, part of the Jiangye landforms, were formed over millions of years. Layers of different colored sandstone and minerals were pressed together over 24 million years and then buckled up by tectonic plates. The striking coloration is due to the rich palette of minerals that were present in the sandstone, including iron, trace minerals, and weathering and erosion patterns over time, which unveiled the intricate layers of colors. The mountains appear in a range of hues, from deep reds and oranges to greens and blues, creating a naturally painted canvas. 3. Magnetic Hill, India. In the picturesque landscape of Ladakh, India, lies a stretch of road known as Magnetic Hill, a place shrouded in mystery and defying the laws of gravity. Travelers and locals alike are drawn to this spot, where optical illusions create the bewildering sensation of vehicles moving uphill when seemingly left in neutral. Magnetic Hill is located on the Leh Kargil-Srinagar National Highway, about 30 kilometers or 18.6 miles from Leh. At this particular spot, the layout of the surrounding land produces an optical illusion, making a slight downhill slope appear to be an uphill slope. 2. Tunnel of Love, Ukraine. Nestled in the forests near the town of Klivan in Ukraine, the Tunnel of Love is a section of industrial railway that has become a symbol of romance and beauty, surrounded by natural archways formed by the lush greenery of trees. This enchanting spot draws couples and photographers from around the world, captivated by its serene beauty and the romantic aura it exudes. The Tunnel of Love is formed by the trees that line either side of the railway track. 1. Blue Pond, Japan. In the serene town of Biei, Hokkaido, Japan, lies a natural wonder that seems to be from a fantasy world, the Blue Pond. Known for its vivid turquoise hue, this artificial pond has captivated visitors with its ethereal beauty and tranquil atmosphere. The Blue Pond, or Aoike in Japanese, changes color depending on the weather and the season, making each visit a unique experience. The Blue Pond was created as part of an erosion control system that was constructed to protect Biei from mud flows that might occur from the nearby Mount Tokachi volcano. The stunning blue color of the water is believed to be the result of natural minerals dissolved in the water, particularly aluminum hydroxide, which reflects the blue light. So, what do you think about these fascinating, impossible places? Let us know in the comments below.